This slow down, move over shit means nothing, man. At least here in Phoenix, I'm seeing. Yeah, it could have been preventable. See his car overheated on that. You don't pop that hood and check them fluids.
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
Already this morning, we find ourselves out on the side of the highway. What up, G? See his car overheated on that 2009 Ford Fusion. Unfortunately for this guy, it could have been preventable. And when I asked him how long it been since he checked the fluids, he said it's been quite a while.
Go ahead and hop in. I'm gonna put one strap on there and we're gonna get out of here.
Slow down, move over shit means nothing, man. Hey, everybody and their mama is up my ass. Chances are there's no coolant in it. But he says that he's gonna get rid of that car because he's tired of having problems with it. Said that if he got himself a Toyota Tacoma, he wouldn't have these issues. It don't matter what kind of car you have. If you don't pop that hood and check them fluids, you are gonna be on the side of the freeway meeting this guy again. You just wait until your ass is in this situation. When your car break down on the side of the freeway and traffic is flying by you, because they give zero fucks like you do. So wherever it is that you are going, I guess is more important than making sure you don't kill somebody, right? It's just ridiculous. There is no reason at all, none, for you to fly by somebody that fucking close. Don't nobody want to experience that shit. Stop that. We gotta wake up the public so they can stop killing us. That is quite the way to start the day. What's your state like? Let me know in the comments what's up, man. If y'all got that same issue, same problem in y'all neighborhood that I got mine.